Danish Puff. A dessert from Denmark. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350. Step 2. To make the pastry, combine 1 cup of flour and salt in processor. Add ½ cup butter and process until mixture resembles fine crumbs. Add ice water and process until mixture forms ball. Step 3. Chill until puff mixture is ready. Combine remaining ½ cup butter with 1 cup water in a large saucepan and bring to a boil. Remove from the heat and add almond extract. Step 4. With a wooden spoon, add 1 cup of flour and stir until well blended. Then add eggs, 1 at a time, stirring well after each until mixture is glossy. Step 5. Divide pastry into 2 parts. Roll each out to a 12 by 3 inch strip and place on an ungreased cookie sheet. Spread puff on pastry and bake for 1 hour. Step 6. Glaze when cool and sprinkle almond slices on top. Step 7. To make the glaze, combine confectioner's sugar, cream, softened butter and vanilla and blend until smooth. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.